How to turn off two-factor authentication on Roblox. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Roblox application. After that, wait for the application to load. Now once it is loaded, simply go to More from your bottom right corner. Now scroll down and then go to Settings. Then go to Security. Wait for it to load again. And then you should find two-step verification over here. You will have several options like email, authenticator app. If it is turned on, simply tap on the button and then turn it off. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.